Hello, I'm Peter from Parksafe, here to give you an insight to the progressive safe system from the driver's point of view. On your dashboard there is a monitor mounted on the left hand side of your driver's view. This will show the MOIS and the BSIS for your alerts and for the vulnerable road users. The handbrake function on this vehicle will make the MOIS audio alerts active with the handbrake off.
Caution, pedestrian detected. Front. Caution, pedestrian detected.
But it will make them silent with the handbrake on. The BSIS, which is the blind spot information system, will pick up vulnerable road users down the near side of the vehicle. They will be shown on the screen, which will highlight a red triangle to say that there's someone in that area. If you were to turn the vehicle close to that vulnerable road user as you're driving, the audio alert will say,
"Caution, pedestrian detected. Left."
The left indicator, when activated, will make the left warning alarm sound. When the vehicle is travelling at 18 miles an hour, the internal and external alarm will be muted, but the AI cameras will still trigger the screen to show any vulnerable road users. Our solution has got fault diagnostics built into the product, and what this will show is this will show a fault on the screen if a camera is inoperable or covered or just not working at all. If this is the case, then you need to tell your transport manager of the issue. There is a switch mounted on the dashboard which is a 4-minute timer which will allow you to turn off the left turn warning signal between the hours of 11:30 and 7. Now for the outside of the vehicle, what we've got is we've got a front facing camera which is looking down for the MOIS area. This is your moving off information system. The MOIS area in front of the vehicle is 2 meters out, the width of the vehicle plus 500 millimeters each side to protect those vulnerable road users walking around the front of the vehicle. On the near side of the vehicle we have a 200-degree camera which is doing our BSIS, which is our blind spot information system. The BSIS, which is the near side protection for vulnerable road users, is 2.2 meters out from the vehicle, plus 9 meters down to the back of the vehicle, plus the front of the vehicle as well, the blind spot. Also, on the near side of the vehicle, we have our left turn warning alarm. This is pointed towards the vulnerable road user, and when the vehicle is turning left and the indicator is applied, it will say, "Warning, vehicle turning left." You also have a sticker mounted on the rear of the trailer or the rigid vehicle. This is to warn cyclists coming up the near side of the vehicle. Thank you for watching our Progressive Safe System Driver's Guide. If you'd like any more information, please visit www.parksafegroup.com.